Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I have come a video of the class 11th, the first chapter sets. So first, what is a sets? Set is a collection of a well-defined any object. Well-defined, what does well-defined mean? Yeah. So let's understand with an example. Suppose if I say, tell me the vowels in English alphabet. Do you know? You will say A, E, I, O, U. It means there are the five letters which are known as a vowel. Yeah, that's a well defined. Okay, if I ask, tell me, uh, for example, the chief minister of all states. Yeah, so you will tell yes, the chief minister of Punjab is this, Delhi is this, Kolkata, sorry, West Bengal is this. So it means this is a well defined. But if I ask, okay, tell me the three best student in your class. So it is not in a well defined. Why is it so? According to me, maybe roll number 1, 7 or 17 are the best students. It means these are the not in a well defined. Okay. So it means when the things which are considered by everyone, that is known as in a well defined. It could be a countable, non countable. Yes. Okay. If something is considered by different, for example, if I say India is the best country, someone says no, USA is the best country. So it means country, best country could be different by everyone. But if I say India is a tell me the three countries, they are, or their areas are bigger than India. So definitely you can tell Canada, USA, Australia. Fine. Means these are the three countries, or means so it means we have well defined numbers. Yeah, and every world will tell the same thing. So that is called well defined. So I hope you have understood the meaning of the sets. Okay. Let's move ahead for the further part. Now, how do we represent the sets? So there are the two types. One is a tabular form, another is a tabular form is known as a roster form. Another is a set builder form. What is in a roster form? Okay, so roster form is always right in a curly bracket. Suppose if I say, tell me the natural number which is a less than 5, so you will represent in a roster form 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and close the curly bracket. So that is means you have written in a curly bracket, that is known as a roster form or tabular form. Yeah. Similarly, if I need to represent same in a set builder form, same example, tell me uh, the natural number which is a less than 5. So how do you write? You use the curly bracket x such that x is a natural number uh, less than 5. So it means instead of using the number, we have used a sentence, or we you can also use any particular symbol. Okay, that is it. Now understand types of the sets. Okay, so there are the different kind of a sets. First set is a empty set or null set. So what does empty itself says? It means nothing is available, null set. Yeah, it is always considered either curly bracket, means there is nothing. Okay, you use the curly bracket or nothing, or you can use a word of phi. Okay. Suppose now let's understand example of tell me a month which has 35 days or 32 days. You say definitely it's not defined. How can it possible? Because no month which has in a 32 or 35 days. So that is called next is a singleton set. I mean, if I talk about any curly bracket where just only the one element which is known as a singleton set. For example, uh, recently Spain hit. one goal and won the final match playing against Argentina. That means just in the one goal, in the curly bracket, you use a one number. Or whenever we use any one element in a curly bracket, that is known as a singleton set. Next is a finite set. Finite means when we have a limited numbers, when we have a limited number and it is going to stop somewhere, so that is known as a finite set. Just an example, tell me all the even numbers, all the natural even number less than 10. So you will tell 2, 4, 6, 8 in a curly bracket. But instead of say, if I say infinite number, so it means infinite in a curly bracket when you use a continuously, means the numbers are going on continuous. If I say simple, please write the natural number. So how do you write the natural number? In a curly bracket you can use a 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 dot 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 5 6 7. Yeah, that is okay. We can also say in a two way, as we started, uh, as we started. So the first is a roster form, or if we need to be write in a set builder form. So in a curly bracket you use a curly bracket x such that x equal to capital N, and capital N belongs to the small n. It means n represents as a natural number. Okay, so we can use use either in a roster or the set builder form depending how the question is asking. Okay, now equal set, what does the equal set mean? Like you have a two different sets, for example a, another is a b. Okay, and the b, you suppose if I use a number in the set of a, in a curly bracket we have written 1 comma 2 comma 3, or b has written 2 comma 1 comma 3, means elements are same. They have we have just put in a different format. Yeah, so means if I count the total sets, so there are the two means equal sets needs to understand, but the two sets are equal if they exactly same elements, that is known as an equal sets. Okay, another is a subset. What is a subset? Subset means uh, if the all elements of a set A are in the set B, then A is a subset of B. For example, A has an element 1 2 3 and B has an element 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it means all the elements which are the subset of B, correct? So it means we, how do we represent this? A subset or equal to of B. Okay, now universal set, set of all the contents element are under the consideration. Example, if you studying the number of a 10, yeah, the universal set, suppose there are 500 students in a school. So it means 500 students can be divided, some are ABC sections, some are in available in the ground, some are available in the assembly, some are playing, means so these are the universal set. So these are the some examples and the presentation about the set, and we will discuss more part in the later video. So thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day.